Real, so gonna have to focus. The seat's
Alex,
heavier.
keep the...
No, let the dog, like... Let his friend climb over it.
You got the wire. You got the single seat.
No, I don't.
No, Alex does.
I got
Wesley, go up in the front.
Here, stay there, Wesley.
All right, go. One go. All right, come on, let's go. Put the seat down now.
Okay, watch your feet.
Alex, watch your hand.
Yeah, my feet are.
Okay.
Liam's chocolate milk thing flying out all over the place.
We're on the tire. It's ready to open.
What a lovely day.
We went home first. He'd probably be able to bring his bike.
Why would he bring his bike?
So we can go home in the morning.
Do you think it was a dumb idea to go out here, Daddy?
Yes.
Very much so.
The only reason why I came is because I didn't want to stay home. Because there was
When
a
the
power
power goes
outage.
off. Especially when you got the battery time.
Will you go for a drive?
Quiet, Liam.
Will you go for a drive?
No,
Yeah, as far as home.
we went for a drive already.
That's a little thing.
Yeah, now
That's-
he wants to go for a
Yeah, now he wants to go for a drive. All the rest of the time, I want to go home. I want to go
now
home.
that it's
Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, now that it's not fit for man or beast to be out in it.
By a tornado.
Yeah, let's go chase tornadoes.
I wouldn't be surprised if anybody thought we were storm
Twister.
chasers.
Probably.
I wouldn't be surprised.
The movie Twister.
Yeah, we can watch our truck fly off in. We can be like the Wizard of Oz. We'll just fly off into a tornado. Never to be seen again.
We'll find a scarecrow.
Yeah, we'll land on Evil Witch.
you got the dog.
You got the dog. We'll just call him Toto instead of Wesley. Hey, my pretty.
You know, we
I was watching this thing. They were making fun of. They're making fun of it. And the person was like, there was these three troll people, and they're like banned from the Oz place. And it was funny. The person's like, I'm kind of hungry. The person's like, you are now. Goes up to the dog. Here you go. Eat it. They made her eat it, and the person's like, oh, this is really good.
Oh, they ripped, killed the dog?
Yeah.
No, not you.
My dog's a cannibal.
And Lucas, I'm probably gonna go.
Really?
Yeah, my dad replaced his school.
Why?
This is too small.
First of all, he doesn't like the teachers here, and he hates the new schedule. They're changing everything around.
Yeah.
Yeah, he hates that. So he's probably gonna, I'm probably gonna go to public land.
Oh, that sucks.
Huh?
That sucks.
What, what, is that an elementary school? Going to Glen?
Yeah.
Where's that?
I think that, whoa.
It's right there where our bus stop is.
Yeah.
Oh, Alcona Glen.
That sucks.
What's that then?
Josh is like never at school.
What?
My friend's going to there.
Who's that then?
I don't know. God knows just at school. He is like 5'7".
I never heard you.
Oh, Colin was going to Alcona Blood.
Why is that?
I don't know.
What's wrong with Sacred? Sacred Heart, okay. Blah, blah, blah. St. Francis then.
I don't know. His dad doesn't like it. The schedule, the new schedule that they're making, like everything
My
goes.
dad mostly hates the teachers.
What's your school changing?
Everything. Time periods, when the day starts, recess periods, lunch periods, freaking.
I think the schedule is stupid, but I
You would have known about
it's
it.
alright. I just hate the schedule.
You don't like the school?
No, the schedule, like
His dad doesn't like it.
I just hate something about the school that doesn't have a other floor.
Why? Why doesn't Josh ever go to school? I don't know. 45 freaking times away.
How much?
That's
55.
really. That's
Like
you
2.5 months.
Okay, I said I bet you I wasn't away more than 2 times. I was wrong. 2.5.
I was away, I think,
Oh my god.
4 or 5 times.
I said to myself, I bet you I'm not more than 2 times. 2.5.
That's a lot being away.
It's not like it's not like it's a big.
How's it going?
I could go to Lacona Glen. It's not like it's a big change. Oh, I go to the bus stop and just keep on walking.
Yes, keep on walking.
Liam, you stop.
Not like they get off at the same time as well. So like, what's happening?
We're here.
It's not like there's ice on the drive. What's lighting?
Someone get an umbrella out. Or someone take this.
Just
Here, you take that.
The umbrella.
What are you doing? Just hurry up.
well, there's a kid beside me. I don't want to fucking run him over.